In this video, we will guide you through how to convert a CSV file to Excel spreadsheet. If you find this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe this channel. To begin, open Excel and navigate to the top left corner. Click on Data and then select from text/CSV from the options that appear. This will give you a pop-up where you can choose the CSV file you want to import and convert. Select the CSV file you want to convert and click on Import. You will then be able to preview how the data will appear on the Excel. If you are satisfied with the preview, click on Load in the bottom right corner to import the data into Excel. To save the converted file as an Excel spreadsheet, navigate to the top left corner. Click on the file and then select Save As. Choose the desired location and file format and click Save. That's it. Your CSV file has now been successfully converted to Excel spreadsheet. If you found this helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and liking the video.